ZK Thermochem. Just that simple. Modern science, knowledge, engineering, these are the only answers to the continuous challenges that are put before the industry today. ZK Thermochem is a company that has these answers. Today, ZK Thermochem is a company which employs 250 highly skilled craftsmen for all types of metalwork and over 20 engineers from 5 countries. The finest of skills, experience, design and technological solutions of European science and technology are being installed in heavy industry and the energy sector. The very best crafts are woven into every aspect of the hundreds of projects that ZK Thermochem has across Europe and Asia. The newest implemented project is the construction of filters for the electric precipitation of exhaust gas from thermal power station Nikola Tesla B in Serbia. Towering 30 meters high, these were constructed thanks to a strategic partner in the consortium, a multinational company based in Cologne, Hamon Environmental GmbH. Not to mention the knowledge, responsibility and skills of ZK Thermochem. It will reduce the amount of emitted soot waste from the cauldron to 30 milligrams per cubic meter, which is even lower than European standards. However, the story of the ZK Thermochem starts much earlier. Way back in 1993, a group of engineers with decades of experience in the installation of equipment for thermal power plants, maintenance and construction, founded the company in Prague. It offered the European industry the services of qualified and experienced workers and engineers who mainly worked on the maintenance of thermal power plants in all the republics of former Yugoslavia. In 2002, ZK Thermochem became a successor to that company. The headquarters of the company remain in Central Europe, in Prague and Czech Republic. In the meantime, ZK Thermochem's business expanded outside the borders of the European Union, and also the range of jobs that its engineers and craftsmen were capable of performing. ZK Thermochem deals with engineering, production and the installation of equipment for thermal power plants, nuclear power plants, the chemical industry, heavy metals and non-metal industries. The company has a particular level of expertise in the building and installation of all types of piping, gas lines, steam pipes, steel boilers for heating, cooling, and facilities for the purification of waste gases. ZK Thermochem is capable of delivering in the short term new equipment, doing reconstruction or upgrading old processes according to accepted international standards. Some of the projects we have worked on are high-pressure pipelines for a power plant in Moorburg for clients Hitachi and Vattenfall, the erection of interconnecting piping block and conduit on Europe's largest power plant, and Neurath, 2 blocks per 1100 megawatts for Alstom and Hitachi, complex reconstruction of critical high-pressure pipeline Ledvice for Skoda Power, prefabrication of pipes in Azerbaijan for Germany's RVE, pipe prefabrication for the atomic power plant in Okita, Finland for VAM, prefabrication and erection of tanks and pipe for Czech Litvinov refinery, the construction and installation of steel tanks with installation in Russia for Neusiedler Skytvarg Rusko, fabrication and assembly of connecting pipeline for the power plant Koln, production and erection of a high-pressure pipe system in the Irsching power plant for EON Germany and VAM Austria, and the gas power plant Knapsack in Germany. With the knowledge of metalworking, especially trained and qualified welders, craftsmen and engineers go through a process of ongoing education. ZK Thermochem completes all contracted jobs before the agreed deadlines and within set standards. As the number of clients has grown, so has the scope of work and revenue of the company. In the past 4 years, the company's revenues have multiplied 4 times. The last implemented project, construction of electro-participation fields for the purification of waste gases and thermal power stations, Tient Biet 1, is just one of its many successes. In cooperation with Hammond, a world-renowned company in the construction of chimneys and purification systems, a unique industrial solution was arrived at. 16-meter-high electrodes produced by ZK Thermotherm are powered by 80,000 volts from dozens of transformers. Thanks to the precise adjustment of electrodes with an error tolerance of only 10 millimeters in the whole system, where thousands of electrodes are placed at 500 millimeters spacing, the system works perfectly. The citizens of Serbia, Europe, and the world can now breathe purer air while enjoying a cleaner and safer energy. ZK Thermotherm is a company ready to embark on any new venture, either independently or in cooperation with other companies, anytime, anywhere in the world. Knowing we do our job to the highest standards, let you do yours to those same standards. Become a part of the chemistry that makes us such a success. So together we can create a new industrial future, clean, safe, sustainable. With you, our shared values will help create a cleaner, better world. ZK Thermochem. Just that simple.